Hey everyone, today we are going to learn about CPU scheduling, one of the most important concepts in OS. CPU scheduling decides which process or task gets the CPU next when multiple processes are waiting to execute. So, what is CPU scheduling? The CPU can only handle one process at a time, but there are many waiting in the queue. The CPU scheduler is responsible for selecting which process will run next. The main goals of CPU scheduling are maximize CPU utilization, means keep CPU busy all the time. Number 2, minimize waiting time, means reduce how long each process wait. And number 3, minimize response time, give faster feedback to the users. So FCFS, first come first serve. The simplest scheduling algorithm is FCFS, first come first served. As the name suggests, the process that arrives first in the ready queue will be executed first, just like people standing in a queue at a supermarket. It is a non-preemptive algorithm, which means once a process starts execution, it will not be stopped until it finishes. What is non-preemptive scheduling? In non-preemptive scheduling, once the CPU starts executing a process, it continues until completion or until it voluntarily goes into waiting state. No other process can interrupt in it between. For example, if process P1 is running, even if a new process P2 arrives with higher priority, P1 will finish first. So let's take an example with 5 processes. Process P1 to P5 with arrival time and burst time. Here P3 arrives first because its arrival time is 0. So P3 will execute first. So in the Gantt chart at time 0 only P3 is available. So it starts executing and runs for 2 units of time. So from 0 to 2 P3 is executing. So like that, after P3 finishes at time 2, no new process has arrived yet. P1 and P4 will both arrive at time 3, so from 2 to 3 the CPU will remain idle. At time 3, both P1 and P4 arrive. Since P1 appears first in order, P1 will be executed before P4. After P1 finishes, P4 will execute, followed by P2 and P5 as they arrive. Therefore, the final Gantt chart looks like this. So after that the calculations are done. So this table calculates the completion time, turnaround time and the waiting time. So completion time is taken from the Gantt chart. So turnaround time can be calculated by using the formula completion time minus arrival time. So waiting time can be calculated turnaround time minus burst time. So we can easily calculate performance metrics and understand how processes are executed one by one in FCFS. So FCFS is a simple and easy to implement. It follows first come first serve order. It is non-preemptive, but it can cause long waiting times for later processes, a problem known as Conway effect. Thank you.